Oh, hello you beautiful people, this is PJ Hot Wheels right here. So back with another car review, I think toy review, I don't know, you guys name it. So I just bought some bunch of Hot Wheel IDs. So I think these are released about like 3 or 4 months ago in America, but you know, in Thailand I just got this. They haven't officially released it in my country yet, but you know, I just ordered it from Amazon UK, and you know, and then it has arrived, so I decided to do a review about these new high-tech toys, and to let you guys know that, you know, who's living around Asia and stuff, you know, what is this like, or you know, you can order it from Amazon if you're from like Thailand or something, because they're not selling it yet, probably coming in like next year, so it's like ages away. Well, I'm gonna do some review and how does this work and what the hell is even Hot Wheels IDs, alright? So it took me a little bit of time to get used to all the cars and how to play them, and it turns out to be really fun. And to be honest, I really like the casting of this Hot Wheels ID, because you know, the wheels are the best part of it, and you know, the colorings is also really awesome. It's like premium Hot Wheels, like, you know. And in UK, I think like these ones are available in like Apple Store, so that's pretty cool. Hope to see that coming soon in Thailand's Apple Store. And you know, let's get started. Alright, so the Tesla, I got 5 cars. The Tesla Model S, which is my favorite one, the one I want to get and want to, you know, use it to play and stuff. And also got the Corvette C7R. And you know, it's really cool casting. I'll show you guys all the cars later. Nissan GTR, of course. Pagani Huayra Roadster, as usual. The supercars are nice. And the Lamborghini Miura P400 SV. You can see it right there. So I haven't seen this casting in Hot Wheels for a while, and it's good that it, you know, it came out with the Hot Wheel ID. So actually, I already opened Tesla. So let me just get on with it with Tesla and tell you guys what it's about. So basically, it's a box. It's kind of like iPhone, you know. You can open this thing, and you can see a lot of stuff, like, you know, welcome to the virtual garage, this is your Model S, blah blah blah, and you know, speed lap races. And so it's really cool. And the car, it's inside, if you guys can see, the light is blocking it right there. So it's a really good package. It's Tesla Model S, factory fresh, 2 out of 6. Well, I haven't got all of them yet, but soon I'll order some more. And you know, there's a SIM card, or what do you call QR code or something like that. I don't know. It's not a QR code, so it's right there. Basically, you download the Hot Wheels ID app, either on App Store or Google Play, and you just scan the car using your camera, and you know, the car goes into the game, and you play, and you win, and you have fun. Right? That's basically how the car works. Or I think you have another option, which is to buy the track set. Hot Wheels track set. It's not cheap though, but it's really fun. So you can, like, you know, measure the car speed around each lap and which car is faster, play with your friends and stuff. And it's really cool track. I haven't got it yet, but it's really expensive. I might get it soon though. And so let's get started with this Tesla Model S. So you open like a preview here, and there's like a tape here. You need to like cut it open, but I already did it. So yeah, so the box is like this. Really cool box, so much better quality than the normal mainline basic cars I showed you last video. So basically, it's plastic package, so you need to like pull it out gently. Hope the car doesn't like falls out and stuff. Alright, I'll show you guys when I finish. Yes, so they have the SIM card down here, so you can scan and stuff, and it's plastic bottom. So it's not metal bottom, it's plastic bottom. Really cool Tesla casting. I really love the wheels as well. Let me put on this spinner where that works. Okay, so this is a Tesla Model S, alright. So yeah, there we go. I get the camera closer. So that's how it looks like. Look at the back first, alright. So really cool car casting. Love the liveries with the Tesla liveries on there. And it's a really good color, the candy red, which I really like on Tesla. Looks really cool. And you also got the Hot Wheels ID logo right there, you can see. Really cool wheels that says factory fresh. Yeah, so this is a really cool casting. I really like that really much. and that's about it. So also, if you guys can see the interior, yeah, they are like fully, you know, detailed with the interior, like seats, stuff like that. And if you guys can see it or not, but yeah, there we go, seats and stuff you can see. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's done with Tesla. So now currently I'm using this car in the game, and you know, it's going pretty well. All right, the game is not that fun, but you know, it's good because it's like relaxing and stuff. When I do a lot of homework and shit like that, I just use this. I just play with this game, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna chuck this away for a second and put it in here to protect it. No, actually, you know what? I'm gonna take it out and put it beside. So, yep, there goes the packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, Tesla Model S. So, yep, there we go. All right, so I'm not gonna open like, you know, all of the cars. Obviously, I'm gonna keep these 3 closed. But if this video hits 10 likes, I will open all of them, and including the mainline cars I didn't open last time, I'll open them if you guys hit 10 likes. And do subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'm gonna keep posting videos like this, Hot Wheels reviews, stuff like that, news, you know, any cool stuff that I got, I'll share it with you guys. Just subscribe, hit the like button, give it 10 likes. I will open all the cars in the next video if you guys do that. And if you're subscribed, click the notification button to get notified when I post new videos. So I post videos every week, so stay tuned for that. So another car that I'm opening, it's the Pagani Huayra Roadster. So I'm gonna just open 2. So this is, you know, sealed and stuff. And as you can see, this is the same kind of castings, same kind of packaging. You got the preview here, the car inside. I'm just gonna open up for a minute. Alright, so right here is the car, same plastic packaging. I'm gonna take it out right now. It looks really nice, to be honest. The Pagani Huayra looks so cool with the blue and gold rims with the Italian liveries beside. I'll show you guys here. Okay, so basically, okay, you can see closer. So I'm gonna view the front first. So that's a really cool blue coloring. I don't know why I can't stay balanced on this spinner because it's such a big car, to be honest. And you know, love the gold wheels. You know, the black and, you know, dark blue livery. It looks so cool. And I like the Italian stripes beside it. It's really damn awesome. Now Hot Wheels did a really good job with this painting. I love it so much. To be honest, this painting is better than Tesla Model S one. But to be honest, I still like Tesla Model S. I'm not gonna lie that. Okay, the gold wheels also say factory fresh, Pagani Huayra, and Hot Wheels IDs sticker on here. Here, right? Yep. Okay. Also, the interior, I think it's also made well, detailed. There's some scratch on the windows. It shouldn't be, but anyways. Really love the blue color, gold rim wheels, and the black secondary color. Looks really nice. Holden did all the details over there. So here's also the SIM card here, which you can scan a plastic bottom as well. The wheels are really cool. Like, I like them so much. Wow, they're so cool, these ones. And they're really light as well for some reason. Some like metal Hot Wheels are like really heavy, but they're light. So yeah, there we go. And there's the one that I opened. Just put this packaging away. Okay, so these one are the Nissan GTR R35, which I haven't opened it yet. And Lamborghini, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek what it's like. Okay, so it's basically gold yellow painting on it, really cool. And also the Corvette C7R. I mean, this has some cool ass artwork on there. Look at that, it looks so brutal right there. Well, so I think it's coming to the end of the video. I'm just gonna show you guys some gameplay and how does this, what happens when you scan the car. And okay, just sneak peek Nissan GTR. Look how cool is that. Since I'm not gonna open it yet, unless you guys hit the like button 10 times. All right, so that's about it, I think. And then see you guys in the next video, I guess. Take care, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, like, so I can open cars. And if you're subscribed, click the notification button to get notified when I post new videos. Okay, take care, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.